night. They all see that it's a lie. Break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
Hello, beautiful people. My name is Caroline Wamboy, and welcome back to this amazing channel. And today, as you have seen on the title, you are going to spend a productive Sunday with me. Yeah, I was not able to go to church. I thereby spent the whole day in the house, and we are going to start the day by just preparing some breakfast. Yeah, and on this day, we just took some eggs, and yeah, those eggs were given out by my mom last week. Yeah, my brother was in the village and he brought them for me, and some sausage, some smokies too. Yeah, and I've just showed you how I normally fry mine. I don't usually deep fry them. Yeah, I normally cook them, or rather shallow fry them and allow them to just cook under very low heat so that they can cook inside. So that was the simple breakfast. Yeah, some loaf, some smokies, and some pieces of egg. Yeah, someone had helped me to prepare some tea in the morning, because on Sunday I usually oversleep. Yeah, so it was just easy for me, just preparing something special for the whole family after I woke up. Yeah, and this blue band was very hard and it was really messing up with my bread. Yeah, I somehow got bored and stopped applying it. Yeah, so that was it with the breakfast, and we really enjoyed it. So after that, I folded some clothes, but I did it behind camera. Yeah, and here I was just putting them in their respective drawers. You can see how my wardrobe looks. It's not very organized, but at least I can place clothes in it. Yeah, I was just trying to pack them in their respective places before I could head out to do something else.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep.
By the way, that wardrobe is customized. Yeah, I met a very empty bedroom and I had to look for somewhere I will place our clothes, and I ended up making that wardrobe. Yeah, and it serves us so well, though right now it's so squeezed. I think we have a lot of clothes and I need to declutter those ones that we don't wear most of the times. Yeah, so for lunch, I just wanted to prepare for the family chapatis. Actually, here I had been left alone in the house. The rest of my family members, that is my baby and my husband, had gone to church and I was left alone in the house. So I decided to make chapatis for them before they will come back, and I made a lot of them so that I will not have to do it for supper. Yeah, and it will also give me some time to rest in the afternoon as usual. Yeah, so this is usually the hardest process, of course, of cooking chapatis, kneading the dough. And to get some good dough, you have to take your time while kneading. Yeah, and as for me, I normally use completely hot water. Yes, if possible, boiled water, because the end result, the dough is usually very, very soft. Yeah, I normally take all my time here, because if you really need some soft chapatis, just work on your dough well. Yeah, I think I can knead for very, very many minutes, yeah, until I get the consistency I want. Actually, I cut off the biggest part of this uh, film, because it was a really long one. Yeah, kneading can really take a lot of time. Yeah.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure. Silver coin, you hold me, turn me over right now. But expect to forget about it. Watches the breeze, burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? Out of mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
I just decided to clear up the sink so that I will just cook in a clean kitchen. Yeah, I love it when I'm just cooking in a clean kitchen. And I decided to prepare stew first, yeah. Then I will just cook the chapatis later in my own pace. And for the stew, we cooked, I just prepared some green grams, and yeah, that is what we ate our chapatis with. And I said I just cooked a lot, that will be enough for even dinner. Yeah, for the chapatis, this time I cooked the soft layered chapatis. I felt like I had all the time to do it, and you are going to see that. So that was the turnout. And I normally use my counter space for rolling the chapatis. That is the reason why I just needed it very, very clear. And I'm hoping that soon I'll get the contact paper back so that it can look better as it was. So let's begin our cooking.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 It feels like a curse, 'cause every time when I try to run it hurts. The way that it burns feels like I melt through the earth. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep.
As usual, for my chapatis, I normally dry them first, after which I normally apply them oil. I find it easier, and I normally see like this method normally consume lesser time comparing to just cooking as just cooking everything together. Yeah, I mean, drying them then applying oil seems so easy to me, and that's what I've been using all through.
There was always a longing for more, a deeper connection. Was disconnecting time to realign, reconnecting my foundation, reunite. Oh, I'm digging, got my feet on solid ground.
So the last thing I did was ironing my daughter's 3 dresses, and I wanted the gathers back, and I really tried my best to have them. I think I'll be doing this weekly so that I can try and maintain them. And I'm sorry for the reflections. Yeah, I don't know why the camera or the lighting was just misbehaving. Yeah, so I did this for all the 3 dresses, and the turnout was good, though I was not able to capture it so well because I think I didn't place the dresses so well at the end. So yeah, but the turnout was good. Yeah, so if you have watched this video up to this point, I'm really grateful. Thank you for sparing your minutes to just come and see what I had prepared for you. And I just hope that you have picked some motivation here and there. Yeah. So guys, allow me to see you in my next one, and make sure you watch to the end. Bye bye.